In this video, we'll be talking about winning products to sell to make thousands of dollars each month. And we'll also be giving you content ideas for each product to give you a head start on your online business. The first product is a makeup bag. We're then going to go on their page and then we're going to see their videos. Now this video went viral and it's only 5 seconds long. Now we're going to click on their website. Their website is very clean and detailed and they have a lot of products. They have a variety of makeup bags with different shapes and colors, including black and pink. And they also have multiple reviews on their website. The price ranges from $64.99 to $159.99. And this is after their sale. Let's see how much it costs on AliExpress. And they cost from $6.69. And they have them in the colors black and pink. And they also have the circle-shaped makeup bag from $15.67. And they have it in pink and black. And you can also find it on Alibaba from $22.50 to $24.50, depending on how many you would order. And you can also find it in the same colors. The first content idea is to create pack with me videos for different occasions like a night out, a workday, or a vacation, showing how much the makeup bag can hold different products. The next idea is to do a night versus day makeup challenge. Use the makeup bag's vanity light to create 2 different looks, a day look in natural light and a night look using the vanity light. The next one is to create a time-lapse video of organizing makeup products into the bag, showing how big and convenient it is. The next product is an ATM savings bank account. And this product went viral and it's only 13 seconds long. And it got 6.4 million views. And they only started this account on October 30th. Let's click on their website. Their website isn't available, but let's check how much you can buy it on AliExpress. They have different ATMs starting from $11, but we're going to show you the one that we found on TikTok. The one on TikTok costs $34.91 and it comes in pink and black. The first video idea is to create a money challenge. Share an unboxing video of the ATM machine. Create a series of role-playing videos using the ATM. The next product is a digital frame. This is how their TikTok account looks, and now we're going to check out their website. They sell this frame for $199.99, but they have it on sale for $94.99. And they also have a description and reviews about the product. Let's see how much you can buy it for on AliExpress. And they cost from $34.90. And make sure before you start selling them to check the reviews and to check the quality as well. So order a sample of one from your supplier. Show the digital photo frame as an ideal gift for various occasions. Create an unboxing video. Show how this product can transform the look of a room. The next product is these alligator slippers. And this video alone has gotten more than 140,000 likes. And they've only started this account a week ago and they have their first viral video. Let's check out their website. And they sell these slippers for original price at £32 and now it's on sale for £23. And they also have a variety of sizes for toddler, kids, and adults. They also have customer reviews and different clips showing the product. They also have different discounts when you buy more than one. Let's see how much you can buy it for on Alibaba. Each one costs from $3.21 to $7.25 depending on the amount that you order. First video content idea is to create a fashion challenge. You can also create funny skits or pranks. And you can also do a day in the life of alligator slippers. The next product is a mini flower bouquet. And this viral video has a total number of 2.3 million views. There's also 2 other viral videos, one with over 900,000 views and the other one with over 400,000 views. And let's check out their website. And they sell each mini bouquet originally at $46, but it's at a discount for $21. They also have them in different colors. They also have product reviews and discounts. Let's see how much you can find them for on AliExpress. Each one costs from 99 cents. And they have different colors to choose from. And make sure to get a lot of colors to attract more customers. You can create a video series posting tips on how to style these mini bouquets in different settings such as in home decor, at events, or as gifts. You can also post customer reviews and stories featuring testimonials and stories from customers showing how they used or gifted the mini bouquets. You can create video content comparing your fake mini bouquets with real flowers, focusing on benefits like longevity, no need for water, and hypoallergenic properties. And if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok for free as a beginner, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.